What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day could literally change the structure of your brain? Not an hour, not a full lecture, just 10 focused minutes. Whether you're learning a language, a new skill, or diving into something that sparks your curiosity, those small chunks of time are doing something astonishing inside your head. In this video, we're unpacking the science of microlearning and what those short bursts of brain activity are really doing to your neurons, your habits, and even your identity. We'll explore the latest research, break down how to do it right, and reveal a bonus tip at the end that will multiply your results. Let's jump in. You've heard the phrase consistency is key, but there's real neuroscience backing it up, especially when it comes to learning. Every time you expose your brain to something new, especially something slightly challenging, your neurons respond by creating new connections. This is neuroplasticity. The twist? You don't need to spend hours studying to trigger it. Studies show that focused learning sessions, even as short as 10 minutes, can spark significant neural activity. Study 1, a 2023 study published in NeuroImage, found that participants who engaged in 10-minute daily learning sessions over 4 weeks showed measurable increases in gray matter density in the hippocampus, the region responsible for memory and learning. The key factor: repetition and novelty in short, focused intervals. So, what happens in those 10 minutes? Your attention narrows. Dopamine gets released, especially if you're learning something that excites you. Your brain starts building and reinforcing synaptic pathways related to that task. This might not sound dramatic, but it's like a gym workout for your neurons. Let's talk about the compound effect. The compound effect is the principle that small actions consistently done over time lead to massive change. And your brain loves this. When you learn in microbursts every day, your brain doesn't just remember, it starts integrating. It shifts from conscious effort to automatic behavior. Here's an example. You spend 10 minutes a day learning a new language. Day 1, you memorize 5 words. By day 30, you know 150 words. But more than that, your brain has started to shift. Your working memory and pattern recognition have improved. Your confidence has grown. Your brain isn't just storing data. It's becoming someone who learns effortlessly. Study 2. In a 2024 article from Frontiers in Psychology, researchers observed 2 groups, one that studied for 10 minutes a day, and another that crammed once a week for an hour. The daily learners not only retained more, but their EEG scans showed more consistent activation in the prefrontal cortex, the brain's decision-making hub. Small beats, big. Consistency beats intensity. So how can you make your 10 minutes count? Pick one focus area. Eliminate distractions. Use active recall test yourself. Don't just review. Teach it to someone else. Teaching locks it in. Now let's talk identity. Here's the real secret. The habit of microlearning doesn't just change what you know. It changes who you believe you are. Each day you show up to learn, you reinforce an identity. I'm a learner. I grow. I improve. That identity shift is powerful, and it has ripple effects into every other area of your life. Study 3. A recent 2025 study from Stanford found that participants who incorporated daily microlearning into their routines reported significant improvements in self-efficacy and cognitive flexibility. The act of consistent learning made them feel more capable, not just mentally, but emotionally and socially. When you believe you can learn, you become more willing to take on challenges. That's neuroplasticity feeding your mindset. The 10-to rule. Want to supercharge your 10-minute learning sessions? Use the 10-to rule. Learn for 10 minutes. Then take a 2-minute pause to reflect. No screens, no distractions. Just let your brain breathe and integrate. That little pause strengthens the neural encoding process. Your brain gets a chance to consolidate what it just absorbed. Try it. It works. Action plan. Build a 10-minute learning habit. Choose your topic. What excites you? What do you want to grow in? Pick your time. Morning, lunch break, or evening same time each day. Set a timer. 10 focused minutes. That's it. Use active recall. Quiz yourself, write summaries, or speak aloud. Apply it. Find a real-world way to use what you've learned. Reflect for 2 minutes. Let your brain process and lock it in. Track your progress. Use a calendar, notebook, or app. 10 minutes a day might not seem like much, but inside your brain, it's a revolution. You're not just learning facts. You're changing your brain structure. You're reinforcing a growth identity. You're building momentum that spills into every part of your life. So, what will you learn today? If you found this video inspiring, give it a like. Drop a comment about what you're learning daily, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed strategies to evolve your brain. 10 minutes. One decision. Infinite transformation. See you in the next one.